How to record Google Meet on your laptop. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you are someone that is looking to record their meetings and you are using Google Meet, then you can do it directly from your laptop. It's very easy and simple. You don't need any third-party tools for this either. Simply go into your meeting, and I'm going to be starting a brand new meeting like so. Now once you start your meeting, this is what your meeting is going to look like. Now once you've started your meeting, the next thing you're going to do is, because we want to download or record this within our own laptop, we are not going to be using, recording options from Google. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the QuickTime player on Mac or your Windows recorder. And once you click on your QuickTime player, a tab is going to open up. You're going to leave that and then click on your QuickTime player and then click on File on the top left. Then click on New Screen Recording, and once you do that, this can help you in recording your screen. Just choose the area where you want to record, and you can even choose to record your entire screen, record a selected portion, capture a selected window, or capture the entire screen. I'm going to choose to record this portion and then just click on Record. Once done, you can click on the icon on the top right to pause or stop your recording. So this is how you can record Google Meet on your laptop. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.